one tax saving account that I have seen a lot of high income earners pass over by mistake is the healthcare savings account. And what I see happen sometimes is that someone will have a qualifying high deductible healthcare plan, but they won't actually put money in the HSA, or perhaps their employer will put in some money, but they don't put in the full amount. And so the individual could get an upfront tax deduction on their contributions to the HSA and then benefit from the HSA over time. But what I find that people don't realize is that with an HSA, it's for high income earners, it's become like another retirement account. And what is so beautiful about the HSA is that it is the only account that is triple tax preferred. And what that means is that you get a tax deduction up front on your contributions into the HSA. Your money then grows tax-free inside of the HSA. And then when you take the money out for qualifying medical expenses, it comes out tax-free. Now, what I find that people don't realize is that unlike the flexible spending account, a healthcare savings account, an HSA, always belongs to you. And you don't have a use it or lose it annual expense kind of deadline. Your money can stay in the HSA indefinitely. And so what I like to see high income clients do who are healthy, okay, so you have to make sure that the high deductible healthcare plan makes sense for you in the first place. But then if it does, what you can do is max out the HSA and then invest some of the money within inside the HSA. So what a lot of people don't realize, that even if they do max out the HSA, they don't realize that money can really start to grow and work for them over time if they use it correctly. So sometimes what I see is people will just leave all the money in cash. Well, you're not really getting the full benefit of an HSA if that is how you are using it. So what I like to talk to my clients about is how do we balance a need for cash for unforeseen medical expenses, but then how can we really maximize the HSA to help them build financial freedom quicker? And so if you have questions about how you can save money on taxes and also maximize your financial freedom, I'd encourage you to reach out. My name is Lauren Zangardi Haynes. I'm a certified financial planner and the founder of Spark Financial Advisors, where I really focus on helping high-earning dual-career households and small business owners maximize their money so that they can live lives that they love and achieve financial freedom quicker. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.